Hi, if you want to know how to transfer files from your iPhone 16, then watch this video. So for that we are gonna need this SD card and we are gonna need this SD card reader with a Type-C. So just plug it in like that, plug it in your phone and insert your SD card in this reader's port, just like that. Now let's unlock the phone and here we will need to find Files application, which looks like this. Now we are gonna go in the browse section. Here tap on the arrow and now we can see this untitled section, which is our SD card. So if you want to transfer files from your phone to this SD card, you can go in the On My Phone or in the iCloud Drive. Here select a file you want to transfer to the SD card, then tap on the move icon. Here use this arrow to go back, select your SD card reader and here just select this copy option. And now let's check it. And yes, here it is. And you can do just the same but reverse. You can transfer files from the SD card to your phone. For that, let's just go in any folder which includes some files. Great, just like this. Now we can press and hold it, select this move option. Here select our iCloud Drive and just choose this copy option. And now let's find it here. And yes, here it is. So that's it how it works. Now you can just unplug your SD card reader and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.